Hello, beautiful world. This is Rah C, and the place to be is here at Haven's Homestead. It's gonna finish up our easy to build chicken coop. Easy to move, easy to build. One person can build this and one person can move this. That's the idea. That's why I designed it this way. I moved this one with just this pole. I put this pole on the back, lift up on this, and it just pushes easy. The other one has a chicken tractor that helps, and then that one I got wheels on the front and the back, but I don't use the back because I got a dolly that helped pull. That's how I was moving all that before I ever got my 4 helper. I gotta do this walk about 1,000 times a day. Otherwise we get predators that like to post up and hunt. There's my post up stick for them nice little guys that like to hunt on my animals. You know, we gotta keep them honest. Keep them simple. We keep it simple. Whoa, what the hell we got going on over here? You ain't scary enough, you ugly guy. It's the hat, dude. It makes you too friendly. And you gotta change your pose a little bit. You can't have the same pose all the time. So put this leg over here. Put this leg over here. And today we're gonna put this hand up. And we're gonna hook your leg to make you look like you're doing like some kind of stretching. There we go. Now we look like we done changed it up a little bit. And there's the hat. Unless you were gonna wear it, you gotta wear your hat a little different. How about right here? Wear your hat right there. And you, man, I don't know what the hell to say about you, dude. You're just weird looking. Can we put this part? Can we lift this up a little bit? Pull this part down. Make your face look a little bit more realistic. Maybe hold hands. Can you hold your hands like that? Let's see. No. Okay. Well, nice try. Let's try to prop this hand up then. Nope. You don't wanna. There we go. That looks more realistic. Yo, we're practicing yoga. If anyone asking. Hello. I'm just chilling. Nothing to see here. Dude, man, you look like that one rooster when his wobble's just hanging to one side. There you go. See what I guess. What's up, pimps? Hey, I hear you. What are you getting underneath there, cracker whacker? Slacker, clacker, cracker. Hungry heaven. The weather's so nice here. Ooh, there's all our babies. Hi guys. How come y'all don't climb up? I built that so y'all went upwards. This is gonna be y'all's new bedtime place. And I'm gonna turn the other one in for little birds. Y'all way too much. And y'all going in y'all's own individual little huts. Except for y'all. Oh, you think you're freaking sly, huh? You wanna play games? Oh, you wanna play? Wanna play games? Come here. Come here. Yeah, good boy. Hey, baby. You want some? You're fixing to mount you or me? One of us finna get mounted. Oh, your feathers are so pretty. Those two are the same breed. Oh. That rooster's like, man, you up in my area now, buddy. You standing up. Make myself bigger than I am. And slowly walk away. Tell them, Snap. D.O. double jizzle. Alright. Gotta do some stuff. If I don't do it now, I'll be doing it in the rain. That's what it sounds like anyway. So, first up, I need to clean these off with a hoop. I do that. This has holes in it. In certain places, it lets the water out. And we do work like that to get the hoop out. You know what I mean? Don't let that poop rain. Just let it rain. Just let it rain. Let the poop on rain. Pong, pong, rain. Let it poop rain. Let the poop rain. Let it poop rain. Let it poop rain. Let it poop rain. It's raining shit. That's not cool. It's raining shit. Feces. It's raining feces, baby. It's all about the new day. It's raining feces, baby. It's raining feces, baby. It's in your poop, 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 poop. With that poop and that scoop and it smells like doopity-doop. Oh, I see where y'all are now. And I understand that is one cool area. That's where I would be. If I had a feathered flockety crew like you do, I'd be doing what you're doing, man. But better. Yeah, but better, baby. Cause that's how we do it in the sun. We do it bigger and better. Yeah. I gotta tuck it right now. Otherwise they'll try to sleep under. And we ain't want none of that sleeping under my stuff, you know what I mean? What the hell? Great, it broke it. Great. Bro. Now we won't charge no more until I solar panel it. Until I got it. That sucks. A duck. That's a duck suck. A quackity quackity. That's a quackity quack, man. Ah, look. They're getting out, man. That's why they were doing that weird Super Nintendo action kind of stuff. Hell, if it works a couple times, they're gonna keep trying it. Hopefully having that on there good will deter that crap. That behavior. Keep them on the down low. Keep them on the hound hole. Gonna be chewing on the west hole. Yeah, a couple more days and we're gonna move your house. What's up, fancy cowgirl? Stuck in there? You got stuck?